is for apple. B says for B is for ball. C says C is for cat. D says D is for dog. E says E is for elephant. F says F is for fish. G says G is for goat. H says H is for hat. I says I is for igloo. J says J is for jam. K says K is for kite. L says L is for lion. M says N is for monkey. N says N is for nest. O says O is for octopus. P says P is for big. Q says Q is for queen. R says R is for rabbit. S is for sun. T says T is for tiger. U says U is for umbrella. Says V is for violin. U says U is for whale. X is for x-ray. Y says Y is for yarn. Yeah is for yarn. Z says Z is for zebra. And the sounds sing happily.